Hello, third graders. This is your Module 1 mid-module assessment. Just make sure to pause after I read each question so that you have time to complete it. Number 1 says, the picture below shows 4 groups of 3 stars. Fill in the blanks to complete the repeated addition and multiplication sentences that represent the picture. So here are your groups. Then you're going to create an addition sentence here, a multiplication sentence, and then how many 3s equal what total? Go ahead and pause. Number 2 says there are 4 rows of hearts. How many hearts are in each row? Put your answer here. And B says write a multiplication equation to describe the array. 3A says Adrian organizes stickers on a page in a sticker book. He arranges them in 5 rows and 3 columns. Draw an array to show Adrian's stickers. 3B says use your array to write a multiplication sentence to find Adrian's total number of stickers. So since this is 3B, it's talking about the array that you just drew right here. And then 3C says use what you know about the commutative property to write a different multiplication sentence for your array in 3A. So you're just writing a different multiplication sentence here that still matches that same array from 3A. Number 4 says Mrs. Bowen writes 2 times 5 equals 5 times 2 on the board. Do you agree or disagree? Draw 2 arrays or use the count by strategy or skip counting to explain your thinking. So remember, draw 2 arrays or you can use skip counting, the count by strategy. And then you're going to circle, do you agree with Mrs. Bowen or do you disagree? Number 5 says divide these gummy bears into groups of 2. So 10 divided by 2 equals what? And then you can circle over here groups of 2. And then 6 says divide 15 triangles into groups of 5. So you'll circle groups of 5 over here and then write 15 divided into groups of 5 equals. Number 7 says there are 12 glue sticks for the class. The teacher divides them into 4 equal groups. Draw the number of glue sticks in each group. You are going to draw them in these boxes, so please don't forget to do that. Then you're answering there are how many glue sticks in each group. And then you're writing a division sentence that solves for this. So 12 divided into what equals what? Number 8 says there are 9 cookies in the oven. Mrs. Bachman divides them onto 3 plates. Draw the number of cookies in each group. So we have your 3 plates for you, and then you've got to put your cookies in them yourself. You can draw them however you want. And then you're writing an addition equation that represents it and a multiplication equation that represents it as well. And then these ones, you're just doing your math facts, multiplication and division. And then if you want to challenge yourself, it says to use the numbers 4, 6, and 24 to create your own word problem. So remember, a word problem is like a math story, and you have to use these numbers somehow. So think of what operation you want to use: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And then once you've written your word problem for someone else to solve, you're going to solve it yourself down below and come up with the answer, draw a picture, sentence